Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now imagine this, you just landed in a new country, but instead of exploring, you're stuck figuring out where to go next. Sounds familiar? Well, there is a better way with Google My Maps. So in this video, I will be showing you how Google My Maps can turn your travel into a personalized adventure where you will have your full control over every stop, easily add your favorite spots, and keep everything organized in one place. So say goodbye to the stress and hello to the perfect trip. So first thing first, open the Google Maps in your browser and make sure you are signed into the Google account. On the left side of the screen, select three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, scroll down and click on Saved. In the Maps tab, you will see all your saved maps. To create a new one, click on Create Map at the bottom. Alternatively, you can directly open Google My Maps by typing Google My Maps in your browser if you're already logged in. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I planned my 7 days road trip to Switzerland using this method. Click on route options and it will start adding layers into the map. I'll be organizing each days into each layer. So let's start with the day 1. I will be adding a few amazing stops in Zurich. So from hotel to Rhine Falls to Grossmünster Church and finally evening at Lake Zurich, and from there we relax at hotel. As you add the spots, Google My Maps will automatically adjust the route for you. So you can even customize it by selecting route options such as avoiding tolls or preferring the scenic routes. So for day 2, we are heading from Zurich to Lucerne and exploring the beautiful places like Chapel Bridge, Lion Monument, Lake Lucerne, and end our day at hotel. So we will be adding all those stops for day 2. So now you get the idea. So let's add the remaining days. So hang on tight with me until I do. And that's it, guys. You have now got your entire road trip mapped out in Google My Maps with all your destinations and route options. You can even add extra notes or photos to each stop, making your itinerary fully personalized, and share it with your friends and family members. And you know what? It is very easy to use it from mobile as well while you are traveling. And last but not least, don't forget to check out my 7 days in Switzerland for travel inspirations. Thanks for staying with me so far. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Until then, happy travels, and I will see you in the next video.